Hello and welcome to today's tutorial video. My name is Gus Matheson. I'm a solution architect here at Unique, and today I'm going to talk you through our React front-end that we offer our customers. I'm going to talk through this diagram in a few seconds here, but let's start the coding process first. First of all, you need to go to our GitLab page. It's the React front-end one that you're looking for, and then copy the cloning details. Jump into a spot you've got prepared to clone this into. Let's start that process now. Let's jump back to that diagram and I'll quickly explain how it all works. So a digital human solution is really made up of 4 different parts. You have the front end, which we're going to talk about today. You have the Unique platform, which is really the powerhouse behind our digital humans, as well as the integration side, such as a CRM that you might be integrating into, or as well as the conversational AI, which drives the conversation between the digital human and the end user. So that's the main 4 components of a solution. We're going to have another video that will talk through the architecture on this, but I thought I'd just give a quick overview while that is cloning. Perfect. Let's jump into the repo. There's 2 parts here, the example app and packages. We're going to concentrate on the example app today and get that all up and running. So quickly jump into there, and you need to create an environmental file. So just create a .env file. Let's grab the environmental variables, which I have pre-prepared. Copy them into here, and let's save that. Jump back down into the root of the repo and do a yarn install. And that will set up, download all the packages, set it all up, do an initial build, and get it all ready for us to run the front end. Now, while that's doing that, let's have a quick chat about these environmental variables. So the very first one is the persona ID. So that's essentially the configuration of your digital human. On the Unique platform, you're able to have multiple personas that you can point through to, and the configuration is essentially things like the speech to text, the text to speech, backgrounds, all that sort of thing. That their value you can get from the creator platform. The next part is the URL. So we have multiple servers around the world, and we are currently pointing through to the Australian one for this demo. The next part is the token URL. So to start a session with a digital human, you need to have a single-use access token. So to generate that there, we ask you to create your own token server, and essentially it's a wrapper for a post call into a Unique platform to retrieve that access token. There'll be another video which will explain all the reasons behind that and also how to create one. We offer this as a code example, which you can download, which is actually available right here. If you have a look at that. Okay, let's have a look at how that build's going. All done, perfect. Okay, so the next part you need to do is just do a yarn start. The front end is all ready to go. All it needs is those environmental variables, and you are good to go. It tells it everything that it needs. So we'll just wait for that to start up. It can take a few seconds on a brand new build. And sometimes I find you do have to do a refresh once you get a white screen. It's something that only happens on the local environment. So when you're on a server, you don't have to worry about that at all. Just give us a few seconds to start. Here we go. And click Let's Chat. Let's have a chat to our digital human. So this here is pointing through to a parroting digital human. So the back end will basically just return back what I say to it.
Well, okay.
And here we go. Hello.
Hello.
How are you today?
How are you today?
And so that there is our front end all up and running. I'll do another video which shows you how to deploy this onto a AWS server. And so thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please make sure you reach out to your customer success representative. Thank you very much. Bye.